Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the image size and aspect ratio on Midjourney. If you can see, we just created this picture right here and I want to change the size. So what we can do now is the next thing. Copy this prompt again, then do /imagine, then place here the prompt. Then we do --AR space 69, and then he will create the 69 aspect ratio for this picture. Now let's do it again. /imagine, then this prompt, and then --AR, because the second way how to do this is just write down the size. So let's see, I want a 500. Then we do enter, and then now he will create that image size because he automatically changed the scale, if you can see just right here, and then he will create that picture for you. Now right now, if you can see, he created the picture in that size. So what I want to give you as a tip, please do this before you create this, because he will change the pictures, and then in the beginning, if you do the AR69, you are already good with that. Now, here's also the logo, but this is how you can do this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.